Hello, 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 folks. Thanks for coming on by. As we are 50 seconds out from day 15, Advent of Code. Those don't know, Advent of Code is 25 challenges released during the month of December, one every day at midnight Eastern Time. We've done the previous 14. Gonna do number 15. I got Quokka ready to go. Run for my input once I paste it in, and all of that fun stuff. Hey Ryan, thanks for coming on by. And yeah, good morning to you too, KHPS official. Thanks for both coming on by. And we are 5 seconds out, folks. Yeah. 6 a.m., let's go. Yeah, it's not very time zone friendly. Some people get good time zones. Some people don't. Oh my goodness, I swear I've seen this problem last year about sensors and beacons and stuff. Tell me it ain't so. To build some three-dimensional cube again? Because the last time I remember some sensor beacon madness, we were making some three-dimensional cube. Oh, this is fine. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, sensor, closest beacon there. Great. Sensor, closest beacon. Hey, there you go. That's right. I mean, that's not very vanilla there, right? That's a little bit of React. Each sensor only identifies its closest. You know that another beacon's close. View beacons. Consider the sensor at 8.7. Okay. Okay, consult the report in the row where y equals 200 blah 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 blah. Okay, there are 26 where the beacons. Interesting. I appreciate that, Ryan. Yeah, this is another grid simulation one. I will figure it out. Okay. There you go, KHPS. Yeah. That's a good one for Schuler. Sensors and beacons always exist. Enter each system can determine position of a beacon precisely. Only lock on the closest. Manhattan distance. Never a tie. Ooh, there's never a tie where two beacons are on the same sensor. Interesting. 218 is negative 215 with the sensor at this. The closest is this. Drawing the sensors and the beacons. Great, we have cool thing. This isn't a map of all beacons because each sensor only identifies closest. If it's a text, you know there are no other beacons that close or closer. Ooh, that's the rule. That's the rule. No more that close or closer. Great. Okay. So you know there are no beacons. Great. So I have to do all this marking. Since it's like the example, and just in the row 10, you like to count the number of positions. I got it. I got it. Okay, I think I can do this. For const line of data split by the new line, of course. All my symbols go where they need to go. Const sx sy equals. I mean, my goodness, that's something. I'll do a regex. Const bx by equals. Get on board. Tap script. Make sure all these are being outputted. Great, they're all wrong. 218, 916. 218, 916. Great. Now slice 1 or 2. There we go. BX 18 3. Yep, that's not how it works. Match. Okay, I can literally do a split on this line. Split. Beacon 1. Then match. Slice 1. Gotta call it a beacon, not a bacon. We're not looking for bacon. Negative 2, negative 15. Great, we have all of these. So we know that for all distances out from that position, we are clear. So const world equals new map. And yeah, we would like some bacon. SMB. That's the Manhattan distance. Great. Now what we need to do is in a square around the center. It's not a square, that's a diamond, ain't it? 1, 2, 3, 4 in a on the center. Okay, we're gonna hope math is good. No, here's the thing. A visualization would be awfully helpful right about now. Okay, now which one? So in this one, row 10, and this one, row... Ooh, different row numbers. Look at that. Oh, well, technically this isn't a row, this is Y, right? So, Y numbers. Or so, scan Y, right? Okay, so for this one, your scan Y needs to be 10. But for real one, it's big number. Big number. We love big number. Big number, big friends. So, turn number of beacons that can be seen from the scan Y. That doesn't feel right. There you go. Y equals scan Y. Excuse you, what's a value? Oh, okay, it's the way I'm doing this thing. Great, we love you. Count. Big number, yeah, easy, super easy. The easiest in the world. Okay, this isn't working. I guess we might as well start drawing other stuff. Okay, so let's draw world.set. Beacon. We'll get you the letter B. Wait, what do y'all symbolize? Letter B. Great. Do it for the sensor. Oh, well, you forgot the rest of it, Copilot. Thank you, good sir. Okay, now I need to get the least and the most. So, let min x. Okay, you're gonna make a loop, aren't you? Then might as well do the y's too. Min y, max y, great, do the loop. You have an x, min y equals min, yeah, okay, everyone do your thing. We love you. Okay, then here we go, yep, we're creating our loop. Thank you, perfect visualization. Technology! Oh yeah, that's when you start getting the real stuff there, KHPS. Oh, look at that, I drew diamonds. Whoops, so yep, I did the wrong thing. Iterate in diamond shape around the center. So this is technically correct. But this isn't filling it in. Equals distance, that's not what we want to do. Goodbye. If world has x and y, continue. Otherwise, fill her in. Okay, 0 is not 26, because again, we're looking for the wrong thing. Technically, we're counting. What are we counting again? X equals y equals scan y, and value. Just want all the ones where y equals scan y. And value, type of value. Value equals number. 36, not 26. Okay, let's look at great. Jeez Louise. Okay, we got some output around here. Head over to 15. No, not visualize. I mean, we practically are, but not now. Oh yeah, I try to solve with a big int. Big int was not the solution. These aren't diamonds. Very much not diamonds. Because I'm going too far. So I'm saying equals to. I need to say it less than or equal to. Well, not those symbols. I don't know what they are. Do we have diamonds? Give me the diamonds. No, those aren't. Oh, diamonds. Well, either it just succeeded or it just gave up. Save, hit it with a run. So now this is the part where if you did good math, I wouldn't be running for so long. They actually look like good diamonds. Technically, I need to keep track of all of them that are not dots. Okay, so it's running infinitely now. We love that. World.get. Basically, if y equals scan y, what are we doing? Where a beacon cannot be present. Great. scan y, and value not equal b. I feel like we hit big infinite stuff. Going too fast. So it's about using a proper math or something. Something's stopping here. Let's take off the big one. Go away. Okay, clock is running 26. I just changed something over here though. Okay, effectively the same. Interesting. I mean, it's a lot more data. Let's look at the data. Some insights. Yeah, big numbers, big iterations. Instead of drawing the entire freaking thing, I need to see when we intersect with the row, which is an optimized version. So, we love visualization. Visualize, help us. I mean, visualize did help us figure out the math. That's all visualization did. Say goodbye, visualization. Say goodbye, count. And then here we go. Every time we touch y, if y triple equals scan y, count please. Count 0, and now we return count. Yeah, it's very rarely you need to do that, KHPS. We do not need no big int in our lives. Hope that loop don't go there. Okay, it's working, so this is the optimized version, and dun 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 dun. Well, don't CD. Let's give this a run. It's gotta be a lot more optimized. Okay, if I don't touch the world, what if I stop doing this? So I don't actually need to do this. 31's not 26. Whoops. Well, that was working a moment ago. Oh no. Oh no. Well. Okay, turn off the big one, I guess. Nah, it's all good, KHP. It's like I said, you rarely ever actually need to work with them. It's still trying to load. Okay, so this isn't efficient enough. So get the distance to the x to the y. If it's less than the distance, yes. If y equals scan y, I need to say scene y's, right? Scene x's, new set. There we go. This is how I fix the math. In x's dot add x. First, I check if scene x's dot has x continue, which is effectively the top 3 lines. No. Big no. So you're touching the world. I'm touching x's. I guess I need to touch something here. I mean, hey, I didn't come up with that, by the way. I just figured it out. Like, Copilot figured it out for me. I was about to go all split away on that string, but Copilot was like, I got you. And I was like, that looks great. I didn't even get, like, I guess it supports negative numbers, digit, any count. So it's not too crazy, but yeah. Why is this no work now? Y equals scan y. Am I looking at the right thing? Did I mix up x and y's again? No, I mean, it literally said y of 10, there are 26 where a beacon cannot be present. See if scene x has the x, drop it. If y equals scan y. Hold up. If I see an x, then I've already seen it. Nope, I need to keep track of both of them. For sure, yeah. Exactly, Ryan. Just found a Lego and was like, that's nice. Yoink. The scene X is too restrictive. So this works. I just like to look at the world, I guess. Well, let's bring it up. I can see it. Nope. 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 Hello, world. Yeah, so you have lots of positions here. Counts a log the world. It says, yeah, 816. I imagine that's the problem. It'll scale in and stuff. Bring this visualization back, I suppose. Show me pretties. Okay, so it's still going. It's still visualizing everything. I only care about the one line, though. For sure, yeah, this Copilot is not a learning tool. It is a glorified extra helping autocomplete. It Googles things for you. It's definitely not meant for learning. World has X, Y, Y equals scan Y count. Can I not return count here? Yeah, the count is correct. Did we run? No, no, no. What have you errored on? Stupid terminal took away my terminal. Value undefined, out of range for undefined property. What does that even mean? Probably hit the limit of the map size, to be honest. It means I could go double deep or go or I could go into the I can make a map of maps. That might work. That'll reduce the size factorial, I think. I don't know. There's a math way to do this, though. So once I find one, I find the Y that it touched, and I just draw the Ys. That's what I thought I wanted to do. Okay, let's see. We have Y10, for example. Boop, I find all of them, and I draw it. Just the ones on that Y. Got it. Here we go. If Y not equals scan Y. Continue. There we go. We just literally skip it. Okay, math still works. Go big, go home. Go big. Come on. Okay, we'll run you again. Look at the world again. Okay, yeah, this is literally only drawing on line 11. This is what I wanted. I guess I don't really need to draw the other positions unless they're on line 11. Yeah. So if you're not on line 11, great. If SY not equals or triple equals scan Y. Boop. And here's the thing, if the world already has that Y, then ooh, we also need to be counting the beacon itself, no? 26 where beacon cannot be present. 2, 3, 4, 5. I can just literally copy this. 27 selected, right? So we do need to draw them all and only count the ones where we draw a number. Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. Do the same thing to the beacon, I guess. There we go. Now we should see one big line. We see one big line. Did you finish? Why didn't you finish? This be like super efficient for you. This diamond must be too big. So I need to do this shape in order to know which ones I'm gonna hit on, or which ones I'm gonna see. Set Y to scan Y. If Y not equals scan Y, okay, calculate Y. I need to calculate scan Y. Only iter scan the line. Scan Y line. How do we say that? Okay, let Y equal scan Y if Y less than equal less than, and I need to figure out how to properly okay, right number. Output still looks good. We still running? Oh, we are. Oh, I must have something wrong in there. Dang, nabbit. I must have ran it on the old one. which is of no help to me. Okay, first one ran pretty quick, so now I'm just thinking of more optimizations. How much more optimized do I have to be? Okay, I'm only touching the world on this coordinate, right? So maybe I can drop the world down to a set. Scene X's, right? Because see, Y is always the same, then I can use scene X's. Put your curly's there, put your curly's there. Scene X's dot add SX or BX. Why the snow water run? I guess I don't have any on that line. Are you done? Big number, we got big number, folks. A big number now. Lord have mercy for this part too. Must have X and Y no lower than, oh great. Multiplying its X coordinate by find the only, okay, so the example, it's this. Well, this is interesting. I got no hope for this one. Oh, we should drop that console over here. Well, we made it, so let's at least get our next case set up. Boop. Oh, where'd my strand go? Okay, de-indent that. Is it still on the 10? Only a single position it can have a beacon. 1411. Tuning frequency is this number. Multiplying the X by 4000. Okay, so it's math. I understand that. What is its tuning frequency of something we found? Okay, I guess we're gonna go yoink solve 1 and try and figure this out. Please give auto format. Thanks. Whoa, that didn't drag. Thank you. And I thank you. Okay, so what am I supposed to do? The is not detected by any sensor, but the chest beacon must have an X and Y no lower than 0. Okay, so from 0 to 400 thing. Multiplying its X by the search space is smaller. X and Y can be at most 20. There is only a single position that can have a beacon. 1411. Then do math. Now, how did y'all figure out 1411? 14. Right here. So is it basically visualize all of the positions and find the one that's not a thing? I don't know how that's gonna work. That don't sound like I can do that efficiently at all. I barely got this one to be efficient. Oh wait, that's not supposed to be. Yeah, part 2 doesn't do that. I guess I'm drawing everything again because there's no scan Y. Yeah, so all this, yeah, all that optimization. I have to de-optimize. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. 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 And drop the count there. And great. Let's visualize. Looking at our lovely visualization. Ah, this is the position it's talking about, huh? Okay, so I need to be provided the ranges. Can each be at most 20. So MXY is a number. Congratulations, solve 2. I see no way this running efficiently. Yeah, max XY is 20, and for you it's 4 million. Boop. So what I now need to do is loop through all positions. What are you doing in the map? World set key to 1. Stop doing math. No math. We didn't ask for any math. Technically, this needs to be a set anyway. Oh yeah, we're looking for the one that doesn't exist. I'm already going for the optimization. New set. Congratulations. Drop the sets. Change it to adds. Jump to second parameter, end of line, delete, 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 delete parenthesis, and then 2 manual deletions. It's gonna be a horrible visual. Nope, visualization can work. For const key of world keys. Yeah, it's not gonna be easy to visualize. Stop doing that. Oh, stop while you do this. Your set of strings. Be happy. Great. Ooh, we're not really gonna be able to see this, are we? So, world dot has key is draw thing, or your dot. Sure. Oh no, Lord no. Well, that didn't do what I wanted. At least it didn't visualize the way I wanted. Shouldn't have done that. Go back, go back. I won't go back. Bad idea. Worst idea. Okay, properly visualizing. We'll do the setification. Go forward. Grab the set. Put it in this file. We just need to get the brute one working. Because it might be enough. Don't want to pre-optimize. For let x equals 0. X, thank you. Thank you. If world is a beacon, don't care. No, we say if not world has key, return x times x, y plus y, right? Oh, x times this apparently. Multiply this, then add that. Good. And then close all your curlies. Uh-oh. That's an infinite one. It's either running or it's failing. It's running. Okay, so any consoles that I need to clean up? Yep, there's one. And we'll give it the real run. Please be fast. I'll let that go while we figure this out. Okay, so I want to use a set. That's definitely what I want to do. So let's make my first optimization using a set. Ooh, it'll also be an optimization to use an actual number, but we ain't gonna get there just yet. Drop that, drop that, drop that. Great, then for key of world. Key is an array of strings. Get up on the times. I'm gonna go world dot has key. You do, then you're a pound, otherwise you're a dot. Now, I don't know, this is where it all went wrong. So, where are we not showing our cool lines? Oh, now you're showing. Open, look at that little poor dot. DEA beautiful. Which means this is working as expected on that version. Still running there. Okay. Don't think I need this. Don't know what it was, but we don't need it. Okay, so this is technically working. Now what I need to do, wait, if anything is outside the range, ignore it, right? Okay, this is good. If it's outside of the range, 0 to... Okay, our set got too big, because we're doing too many things. Okay, if world has, continue. If x less than 0 or y. Oh, there it is. Now, is mx inclusive? No larger, no lower than 0. So it can be 0, no larger than this. Okay, good. This ain't gonna do the efficient one. I know I have to do it in the loop. But let's give this one a run for its money. You know, while we're here, let's turn off one. Oh, okay, it's turned off. Great, you have fun with that. Turn that back off. Now what we need to do is not look at anything. Okay, that's technically true. What the hell? Where'd y'all? Oh yeah, the sets and the other ones. Great. Okay. If if s inside mxy, add to world. Greater than, good, and then add to world. So I'll add the curlies. Thank you. Same for bx. Love that. Quite a few comparisons, but I think we can survive. Now, here's the fun part. X equals... Okay, only within mxy. It's going to be a tough one, because it's going to have to be a min and a max. Only between 0 and mxy. Great. Let's see if I can get this thing to listen. Zero and mxy. Okay, too much for Copilot. Did the brute make it? Dang it. Okay, get down there. Value out of range. Okay, too many things on my darn map. I mean, it's a set at this point, but it shouldn't be that many. Where is it failing? I want to render good. World add key. Yeah, it's right here. And this is the one that says don't add it outside the square. Okay, so if I keep a list of possible positions and instead subtract from it. What if I keep ranges of invalid positions instead? Huh. There's gotta be a math logic thing in here somewhere. It's not detected by any sensor. Must have each no lower than this. Gotta be a math in here. Huh. So I'm definitely gotta stay inside the ranges. But I need to search. Okay, this works, it's just not enough memory. I'm only caring about what's inside. I'm only caring about 4 million, which only 4 million. Those words do not go together, unfortunately. Interesting. Oh, hey, thanks for the follow there. Welcome, Ghost. Visualization is correct. It can't be any more correct. How can it be more correct? Thing is, I'm like marking a lot of places as a nose. What if I invert it and I search for a yes? Ah, yeah, instead of searching for nose, I need to try everyone and be like, hey, am I too close to something? No, that doesn't make sense. Maybe I've got it enough working. Value undefined out of range for undefined option. Property. Making sure this is an actual me error. TypeScript. Oh, wait, this is TypeScript doing it. Oh, I swear. Entire stack chase, great. No crash, great. Okay, I'm gonna make sure this isn't me doing this. Okay, I think this is possible. Let's give it another run. Again, it's Gotta optimize it better, but getting to reset. Making a superset class. Sure. I mean, my efficiency's already kind of down, though. I don't think a superset's gonna help. Superset. Superset. Yeah. Maybe superset's an option after all. Hmm. Okay, so the distance. Wait, what if I check all the edges? Yeah, because this is on one of the edges of it. So if I go around the diamond radius of it, I can't. All my visualizations are gone now, but that might work. Where'd Quokka go? Oh, we can say goodbye to this file. Quokka, come back. Thanks, Quokka. Yes, like this is on the edge of a diamond, like right here. And if I just search the border of an edge of a diamond, like right here, that's a lot less than searching all of this. How the heck do I do that? How do I make sure that it's not... I guess I'll need to cross it with all the other ones. How many ones do I got? I have 26. Ooh, oh, this is it. This is the solution. I should have to figure out how to do it. So I have all my these here. And since I need to go an extra distance in all directions... Oh. I can use -1 to 1, right? For cost XO... Well, XO of -1 and 1. Then for cost YO of -1 and 1. And then I have to... So I need to go one more out, right? What are you writing here, Copilot? I don't think so. Yeah, because that's my offset. I'll need to add this to my offset. No. Oh, yeah. Okay, no. I'll use this multiplier. I'll multiply it to flip to the other side. So when it's triangle, and so when I'm here, it'll always be increasing by this, but then I'll flip one of them across to be -1 to put me on the other side. I think. We'll find out. dx Diamond X, I guess. Well, because I'm going to recalculate the X from there. Oh, what do you got, Copilot? For dy, no, we need to actually use the distance. Oh, I got rid of it. Yeah, so dx less than or equal to distance plus 1, because we got to go around the edges. Here's the thing, I could loop through all the dy's, or I just add it to 1. And then the flip comes on the dx. Oh, jeez. This is math. Hey, Death Knight Run. Yeah. I mean, I just taking a little bit of a rest today, but yeah. Not much, got finished that mock interview. I was wiped out, Death Knight Run. Ruin. Yeah. No. I mean, recruiters, but not recruitment companies. Talk to outsourcing agencies, which are close. Yeah, I mean, technically that's the interview I technically passed. They just went with someone else, so I have, and I have been somewhat successful, just not job successful. X equals... Okay, that looks right. Okay, go Copilot. Go Copilot. Yeah, done what we're doing there. Okay, so this is the first one. I need to cross-check it against all the other ones. const is within range. Right? That seems right. Yeah, I mean, they do work pretty well, obviously, since I got some progress with it, but yeah, nothing yet. You just say I need to cross against all of these again. Yeah, so re-going through all of these, and then I'm like, okay, calculate the distance from this one. Where's my distance? Yeah, the distance from the beacon, so that's its distance, and the distance I'm using from the sensor's distance to my distance. My dist. Yeah, okay, and now if they're sure, I guess otherwise cool. Cool. Is within range. Is out of range. There we go. Then we call, instead of doing this, so this is what we want for in range. So if you're on the real world, then we're going to check, hey, are you cool or not? If so, we're not going to add you. We're going to return the math. The math. The math. The math. It's not running. Not what we want. Start cleaning some of this up, I guess. We don't want any of this. Okay, it's not doing what I wanted it to. This janky math is wrong. Some of them do get close to that Death Knight. Yeah, I mean, this one's like generating diamonds and checking areas and stuff, so it's not too far off. Yeah, we're gonna watch my math now. I must have mathed it off, so this is the distance from me, this is the diamond distance, I got that right. My X offset, my Y offset, my X distance is distance, right? My Y distance is this. Why you look different than you? Oh, because variable colors. Great, X equals source distance, or sensor distance, plus how far to go out, plus my flip for positive or negative. It's got to be this one. Did I put it this the wrong way? Ooh, 8001. That's a number. Yeah, I know. That's not the number I want. I'm running on the first one, probably. So this is probably what's wrong. Unless this is wrong. I guess I gotta start console logging, but I don't want to start console logging. Okay, so let's rename these correctly. Diamond, no beacon, within distance, and then the distance from me to beacon, my distance, right? So if my distance is less than this distance, oh, within, I know how to spell. So this is the x's plus absolute minus the y's. The x's plus absolute minus the y's. So I'm not even using the world. Say goodbye. No. No. What if there are multiple? There shouldn't be multiple. What if I'm just... Because I'm outside, or I am in some... Oh, Lord. Oh, man. Wait, these are lots of duplicates. Great. We need the most common one. Let found equals new set, I guess. Then found add. So first math went haywire. This should be in range, but it's not for some reason. Found. Okay, 15 of them. That's too many for even for the small one. Okay, I can't see them. No, the right answer is in here. How did that not filter all of them out? Maybe there are duplicates, so I don't use a set. Make a push. And then if there are duplicates, I only use the one I find. Oh, duplicates. Okay, great. Counts. New map. Then I get the one with the one value, right? So put or set found dot get, do math, or 0 plus 1. Great. Then found. Oh, wait, they're all ones. I went that theory. Come on, log, get in there. This is the one I want. What are the rest of these doing in here? Hold on, did that math not do what I wanted it to do? Okay, lots of twos. Great, so I can get rid of... Where's mine? Where is mine? Oh, you're 6. There are only 2 6s. Great, return the largest one. Largest number. Return largest number. Max is 6, but I want the key. Great, just maybe I can just console log this and get by with it. Well, my phrasing is failing me already. Get all. Well, get largest value of found. Figure that one out. There we go. Okay. Oh, we finally got the key. Then I can return max key, and it's the wrong number. Max keys, congratulations, you just got upgraded to an array. Value is value equal max, then max keys dot push key. Otherwise, initialize to new loving array. Max keys. Great, so we got 2 of them. If you run it for the big one, how many you get? I don't have any consoles line. Oh, I do have one. That's a problem. Only searching the diamond should be acceptable. Can't do this condition any earlier, I don't think. Uh-oh. Oh, wait, yeah, this thing literally won't run. Thank you, good sire. Except this is the real one. Okay, big running, lots unoptimized. We love that. Yeah, it's on me, I suppose. Gotta be a better way. I think this is right. Yeah, except we are finding them. Did you happen to run? No, you didn't. Great, yeah. But this is not what we want to do. Any run? Did you finish? Nope. Okay. Back to the drawing board, I suppose. Yeah, this just must be running on too many. So this is the idea. I just need to optimize it. So this is the right idea, at least this base. Just need to figure out where I went wrong. So I have the distance. I actually don't need the beacon anymore. Say goodbye, beacon. Wait, do I need the beacon? Maybe I do need the beacon. Okay, I need the beacon for the distance. Right, that's the only reason I need the beacon. Try this again. Let's try manually dx dy. We'll do the dx's first. So for let dx equals 0, dx less than this one. Right, okay, we're doing it again. But then we do need to flip on it. I think I'm literally just inversing this. Oh, why'd you dy there? Yeah, dy equals distance plus 1 minus dx. Right, now that's for xo. Right, -1. Yeah, all 4 possibilities for all 4 sides of the diamond. Now, if it's out of the range or if it's in range, XR later. Yep, that's correct. I'm doing the same thing again. Is this one? This one's gotta be the wrong one then. My absolute of my x, well, their x versus my x. Okay, subtraction order matters, right? Last I checked, I think they did. Maybe this is what's up. And I can use comment out whatever this happened. And that, I guess. Goodbye. Yeah, it's a tough one. Yeah, so basically we have diamonds of every sensor can locate the nearest beacon to it, and there is a slight overlap, or there's no overlap rather, in which there is one position that a beacon has not been detected in. You need to find that position. And brute force, like marking all the scene positions where it can't be, and then looping over it, runs out of memory. Is this working? No, I don't know what this is. Found. Okay, it's found still on fire. And my thing is just keeps... So I'm returning a bunch of possible positions, but not the right one. And even if I was, it's too slow. I know where it can't be, because, like this creates a diamond around it. So, like, what it looks like is, like, we got a bunch of... Nope. It's like we got a diamond here, then we have a diamond here. We have one over here, maybe. That's not a diamond. And then eventually we'll have all of them line up here. And there'll be one pixel where no sensor has looked at that range. Exactly, yep. Now, I did that brute force way initially, and it did work. It just was too slow. That one's running slow too. Now I'm trying to search only in the edges of a diamond to see if I find position here that is out of the range of any other sensor. I'm finding a lot more than I should. And where are my X's and Y's? Maybe we'll just log those. X and Y. Who are you people? Yeah, you're within 0.20, so you're right. No, you're within other things. This shouldn't be returning all these. It means this is the fault. Oh, none now. Great. Something's wrong here. Nope, none there. It is out of range. Yep, we're saying, okay, are you out of range of all the other beacons? If so, 210. I have to bring my visualization back or something. Okay, let's put this. X equals this. Let's make sure these... I mean, I think, yeah, this should be doing the right thing anyway. Be sure. If you're not in the range, so you're in the range. Is it the first one? Maybe it's just the first one. Thought I tried the first one. No, that math is wrong. Okay, it's just console log. Eh. Come on now. Nope, not the first one. Okay, this one gets ran twice. I don't know what the heck your problem is. It's kind of the last one. It's literally the last one. Okay, last one found. Well, got it equals false, and then okay, we're just gonna say it's the last one we find. Got it equals do math. X times do math. Whoa. Oh, this is a number. Great, we love numbers. Return. Got it. Got it. Did we get it? Oh, we got it on the brute. That's kind of we lucked out though. I don't have a console around here. Let's clear these out before I give her the big run. Do we need all this? I guess we don't need the found. I think we still need the rest of this though. Give her a go. Okay, let's see. No, it's not going to be a fast one, unfortunately. Turn it. Wait, the second parameter is supposed to be. Yeah, okay, that is correct. All of that is correct. Okay, back to the drawing board. The thing is, this one won't even run fast enough. So this isn't fast enough. Hmm. Thought that was the optimized solution. It's either not working or it's not the optimized solution. Hard to visualize this too. X equals 0 and it moves forward. Yeah, Death Knight, it's definitely needs the brain power, which I am not outputting. Yeah, so 0, 0 to 1 up. Y is just minus, correct. Correct. Hmm. Wait a minute. Hold on. Hmm. Yeah. I mean, luckily I was able to figure it out, but actually, and maybe I don't have it figured out. That's my assumption problem. Maybe I don't have it figured out. Okay, let's stop Quokka and jump into here. Yeah, it basically creates all, so like when from this, all of these hashtags, our space is a beacon is not in. So like there are no beacons in any of these hashtags because the sensor locks onto the closest beacon, which is right here. So this is a diamond of there are no beacons here. Yeah, kind of like that. Yeah, which means somewhere on the edge is where our beacon is. So it's somewhere on the edge. And I calculated that brute, but the efficient version is where I can't get. Yeah, so this is the sensor, and it's locked onto the closest beacon. I mean, technically, these are also locking onto their closest beacons. So under this one, this one, this one, and there are more beacons. We just literally can't see them. Well, I'm starting with the sensor because I know that a beacon has to be on one of these positions. And, I mean, I don't know. I can't think of a better way to figure it out at the moment. I guess nothing says you have to start at the center. Part 1, I did start at the center and make my way out, but now with part 2, I'm only on the edges. But those are not treating me well. Hmm. Okay, enough of that. Let's try and think of a new approach. So we definitely need to go through the sensor. So I think this part is at least correct. Just not doing it enough or good enough. Yes, we already got our distance. We definitely need that. Well, yeah, we need that for sure. That's distance from us to its edge. Hmm. What if I just go through all of them in a... So, like, this is my area. If I just take a slice down the middle... No, that's not gonna help. Hey, we're trying to do some coordinate locating in some beacon distress field there, count the shells. I mean, it kind of feels like Minesweeper, yeah. Sensor's closest position. Could be other beacons not closest. Consider the sensor at 8-7. Yep, advent of code, count the shells. And this one is kicking my butt. Got me an hour out already. Thing is, this one did work. Where's that terminal? Still over there running, doing nothing. Minus the first one. Let's go back a little. Hmm. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this in TypeScript. That's what I thought of the last one, but maybe this one we're actually hitting language limitations. Let's go fast forward. So at least I know that segment does work. Which one? Yeah, this one worked. Bring this one back from the grave. Yep, drop all this. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. But here's the thing, this finds too many. Okay, I also swap this around. X minus X. SY minus Y. Lack. So. Oh, why did Quokka? Oh, I turned it off, didn't I? Come on back, Quokka. We need ya. Yep, undefined is that. We love it. Do at least have found. Outside of this one, please. Thank you. Oh, great. Did I remove that? No, I didn't remove it. Auto format. Auto format. Auto format. I hope it's outside. Okay, so these are all the ones that we quote found, and this is the problem. They think they're away from a thing. They're not. We gotta debug these. So is out of range X and Y. Console. Wait, we need an if check. So who's the first one that sucks? X and Y, you are 2 and 10. You also show up twice. Why? Weirdo. Okay, so if X equals 2 and Y is 10, console log my disk beacon just. I appreciate that there, Knight. Oh, okay. Yeah. Interesting. Directional, huh? They look like diamonds, though. Let me go back and read it. Measured by Manhattan distance. Consider at 218. The closest is negative 215. Drawing sensors like this. Beacons look like this. Not a map of all. Each identifies closest. If it detects, you know there are no other beacons that are closer or closer to that sensor. Yeah, so that seems logical to me. Let me look back at that picture. The thing is this thing, they're not drawing all the beacons. I think that's what's throwing me off. Hmm. Yeah, I think this is what I need to fix, though. Oh, what the hell? Why are so many 210s running on this? 210. X equals 2, Y equals 10. Why are you logging so many? You're supposed to run once. Why? 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 Oh, Manhattan distance squares, not diamonds. Hmm. Okay, I might try that. Black out the possible positions. Yeah, I did that. I thought I did that initially, and I ran out of memory. TypeScript was like, no, can't add any more blackout positions. Okay, X equals 2, so there are 2. Okay, we're just gonna be like, return false. Stop running code. Why is this running so much? x equals 2 and y equals 10. Okay, I can't even figure out why this is doing something now. Right, there's 2 and there's 10. Wait a minute, a lot more is supposed to be coming through here. Oh, 210's literally the first one. Okay, good for you. Oh, this is for everyone. Okay, 27, 7. So these are all greater than. 3, 3. What's your x? 2, 10. 2, 10. Yeah, I'm trying this position. Now you say you're out of range of all of them, but that's not true. Because this one... Precisely, exactly, Death Knight Ruin. I think we only need the sensor here. Right. 218. Your distance from 218 is... Mine's 8, yours is 7. Is this thing still running? Still running. Dagnabbit. Ooh, I don't want to go to Python, because last time I did that, that was not the play. This is, it is. It's just not fast enough. Hmm. 9 steps in a straight line, or has to go down some and then to the side. 5, 10, negative 2, 4, and 3. 3 and 6 is 9. 9 steps. Yeah. Hmm. Nah, you're good. You're good. This is, yeah, yeah. I mean, you have it right. It's just my brain's not loading that. This is a tough one. I don't want to ditch the Python. Okay, I guess like the only way to really know if this is why this is working is to actually visualize it. Yeah, basic vector math. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. You are not at all wrong. So, okay, I need to make a world. Const world equals new map. And then for all these positions, we need to, I kind of did that in part 1. Doing this, yeah. I'll drop that console. Drop that one, drop that one. Yes, we can. Yeah, put that back, I guess. New set. 11 that. Oh. Oh, what's wrong with the found? Oh, it's a map. Oops. A daisy. Okay, lovely map. We're getting all the found ones we want. We would also like to stop and visualize this once a tick. We just want to make sure the diamond is actually being done correctly. Point and a diamond shape. Or not. That's cool. This did work last time, but not now. Find part one. Yeah, here we go. I mean, this. That's close. Here's the thing. I want triple equals. Yeah, so x equals sx minus distance, then plus, then that. And that's what I'm doing here. Plus my negative to flip it around to whichever side it needs to be. Yeah, so that is accurate. I just need to get all this on the world map. All that code is kind of gone though. I guess that would be this old code. Just have to make it work. Less than or equal distance. If world has it, get rid of it. I have to add these to the world. World dot set. Come on. There you go. That's not a beacon though. World dot set. You're not a beacon. You're a sensor. Get rid of the Y logic. If it already has it, get rid of it. Good, good, good. Now from this point, I can console. Where's my visualizing code? Yes, my visualizing code. Let's do one that I'll break, or I'll return. Alright, so yeah, right. So we have one beacon visualized. There's the S, there's the B. And now we're going to try all positions around it. So good visualize. Now for all of y'all, I'm going to try world, please. World.add X and Y as number 2. Or set or put. Come on. There you go. Lovely set. So now that you are trying them all, that return here, and I should see a bunch of pretty numbers. Yep, all the numbers are on the edges of the diamond. This is exactly what I want. It's doing exactly what I want. Okay, I guess I'll go through the rest of it then. So yeah, we'll first do all the drawing, then we'll do all the logicking, or the attempts. So move y'all down here, way down here. Yeah, congratulations, just got drawn. That up here, down there. We need the distance, bring that back. Distance. Okay, so let's drop that. Where's all this? Oh, we have visualization. Good. Good, good, good. So like in the real one, like the easy one, we can see physically it's right here. This is the one we want to get to. So now what we want to do is traverse every diamond basically. I want to start from the innermost out, I guess, but this will just start from wherever we start. Maybe I can visualize this in a way. If this one loop, where's this loop exist? Up there. So let's drop it here. Where's my drawing? There it is. There's my drawing. Okay, so I guess we're gonna call this a cute little function draw world. Yep, amazing. We love that. Clear the console. Please give me the code. Thank you. Your console, draw all the lines. Great. Make this asynchronous. Our brain needs to follow it. Yep, world set XY2. Point. Promise. Promise. 1000. Draw world. Okay, we gotta turn off Quokka. Stop all for this. Auto format. There it is. Works good enough. So this should visually show something. Dagnabbit. Oh, it's a promise. Great. Where are you wanna go? Oh, just the typing's the problem. I think that assertion's gonna be a problem too, so let's ditch it. There we go, give it a run. I said run. That's not at all visually helpful. Where is this console coming from? Oh, there it is. Yeah, we don't want that. Any more in here we want to get rid of? Okay, good enough. This 2 is also not visually distinct enough. We'll use 8. And where's the other one? Come on, world, where'd you go? Where'd you go, world? Where'd you go? Sim beacon, there it is. And then set it to just literally the hashtag. There we go. Try it again. Please fit in the terminal. Dang it. That's too freaking tall, which means we need to add a higher delay. My brain to follow. Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds, yeah. Okay. What the heck were all those? Yeah, you see, we're going here. We're going on the edges of a diamond. We're searching. Okay, then we search from there. Okay, that's good. Freaking jittery thing. Where are we searching? Who is console logging? Oh, right here. Dang it. Okay, it should be all of them. Try it again. Okay, now it's actually looking good. Well, kind of was. Okay, yeah, so we're going through the path. It's freaking not pretty. Okay, then we're doing that diamond. Okay, yeah, this seems completely logical. Oh, wait a minute. These ones out here are outside the 20 by 20 range, so that's why they're getting picked up, isn't it? I said don't run. Okay, yeah, so it's touching them, but it's not running them. Stop this. Okay, so we want to set it to that one, to whatever that is. We want to do the drawing after this or whatever, right? So we only want to say, okay, these are the ones I'm checking. So you're the 9s, I guess. You're 5s. Congratulations. 5s are close to S's. Should be enough. Okay, let's clean my eyes up. Where are the dots? No dots. Congratulations. Okay, so it's trying the 5s, and then boom, we leave the 20 by 20. It fails. Great, great, great. Okay, I think I can crank this up and just literally look at the last one. Where's the numbers? Where's the number? Don't plan on actually looking at this. Maybe I'll need to go to a real terminal. Okay, we've got higher height here. Okay. It's working. A little flickery. Okay, so it tried that one there, so it did get the one. So now I need to visualize the ones that actually do get registered as proper. Yeah, so it worked. Okay, so is out of range. You are. I mean, we got too many. We're visualizing too many, to be honest. Drop this down to 1. We don't want to actually wait anymore. So the ones we're trying in the 20 by 20 grid is accurate. Let's drop this one off to, or keep it just for all the ones we've tried. See if that will at least show us the one. Hey, I'm trying at it, C Films. It's a tough one. Okay, great. So we try all these and look at the 5. We got multiple 5s. Yeah, this is the problem. Interesting. But yeah, I'm doing pretty okay, C Films. Just trying to figure out these diamond logic. Okay, let's get rid of the hyphens. We don't care about them. Is out of range. It's gonna be my worst one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, look at all these other 5s. Okay. I think choosing a 5 was the worst number I could have chosen. Letter O. Yeah, so this range here, for some reason, got selected. 1, 2, 3. Even though this is the answer. I must have mathed it off. It's gotta be math. Hey, low poly. Yeah, it feels like we're coding the Matrix, so that is for sure. Yeah, be sure to check them out, folks. Fellow 100 Dever, always doing some cool design stuff. But yeah, we're trying to basically, like, we got it working, technically. It's just working, it's like, there are all these diamonds, we visualize them, and then one of the spots is not covered. It's this one. But then my math is like, let's highlight all these ones. So, gotta figure out why math is being bad. And it's all got to do with this one. This is, nope, not this one. This is our problem, right there. This is our problemo. Okay, so this is beacon, sensor beacon, sensor beacon. Sensor X, sensor Y. If this one's less than this one, false. Otherwise, live life, be true. This is how math works. I mean, the input would be broken if it was parsing wrong. The input's not broken. Mino broke. For line and data split, that works. Hmm. Hmm. So I guess I need to figure out when it gets to those weird ones. Basically, when it says it's good and debug it. Because it's not supposed to be good. And I'll need the visualization running to see which one I need to stop on. So debugger goes here. Okay, I guess I'll throw another call to is out of range. XY, just so I can see it. This is drawing. I need the drawing to happen before this. Technically here and there. Into the code. Okay, so what did we get draw? Where's my drawing? There's a lovely drawing. What's our x and y? X is 2, y is 10. Physically cannot see numbers. You just drew. Oh, they didn't draw the O. Okay, capital O for you, I guess. And then we'll drop you back down to the lower one. Visibility. Retry. Gamma. Come on, TypeScript. Gamma. Okay, so. Oh, gotta get to that line. Okay, so, okay, we didn't need that formatting. Aha, right up here. So you say you're not in range of any sensor. There's one 3 from you. Literally 3 from you. What is wrong with you? Incarnation is wrong with you. Yeah, wait, what is your X and Y? X2, Y10. Something is wrong with you. Right, so distance is 7, my distance is 8. So I am 1 away from 218. I guess that makes sense. Okay, I need to figure out which one this one I'm trying to target is. Well, it's actually literally a few only off for me. So it will be, where is my X? 210. So it'll be close to 210. Let's get to this line actually. Okay, so 916. Nope. 1312. Nope. 1214. Nope. Looking something close to 210. 20. It's the same X, not the same Y. I think it must be on that one there. 011, 210, 011. 2, so 1, 2, and 1 off. Okay, what's your distance? What's your distance? My distance is 3, your distance is 3. Is this it? Is that what I need? I'm in real terminal. That's probably gonna be a lot of drawing. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Okay, this freaking worked. Darn it. It worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. I'm off by 1 this entire time. I swear. Where is it? Find all this code. Where's all my code? I'm also async await, so, yeah, come on. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Hey, let's not celebrate. I don't know yet, Ryan. It might not be it. I'll have all this drawing turned on, too. That is the right number. Oh, no. It wasn't off by 1 this entire time. Oh, this means nothing about efficiency, though. This could take till the heat death of the universe, which is not what we want. Taking time. Why you taking so much time? Wah, wah. Okay, so this is the latest and greatest. Maybe I have to optimize which ones I try. Right now I'm trying all of them. If I order these by closest to central... Did you run? No, you didn't run. Why haven't you ran? Maybe I'll need to chain these. The first one should have ran really quickly. Yeah, why you no run? Run. Run, Daniel. Okay, first one made it, so yeah, next one we're just waiting for that one. This is correct. Now we need to be more optimized. Okay, firstly, we don't draw on the world anymore, since we literally don't need that at all. So stop drawing, stop doing all of this, and all that, and all that. Yep. Time to rip all this code out so we can actually run it now. Yep, all this drawing. Oh, ditch. All that. Say goodbye. So much cleanup for this one waiting. I don't know what that is, but these lines aren't doing anything. Goodbye. Oh, I commented up too much. We definitely need that. There you go. Is out of range. Cannot find. And I broke it. You done? Nope. How did I break it? Curly braces somewhere. There it is. Oops, not that one. Great, okay, this is working. This should be working. Code's on fire. These are comments, though. Don't know why it's angry. Again, too many things. Okay, this is related to the world. If I don't do it to the world... Okay, great. Literally every piece of code is on fire now. Cannot find all the things. Run. Okay, still correct number. It is? Yeah, it's still correct number. What more can we remove? Okay, we can pre-calculate our data, I guess. Cause our data equals basically this code here. Thank you. Data split. There you go. Just do it once, a little less regex, I guess. dxby and dist, which dist is calculated by this. I said it's calculated by this. There you go. Close. Okay, and then for which one's this one's the tough one, right? So we need for dist of our data. So all of this is only needed by dist. We also need sensor location. Done? Nope. Thank you, logic. Okay, where's the next time we do this? We need the sensor. We need beacon. We don't need the beacon. Come on now. Nope. Our data. Thank you. Drop that. Okay, again, further optimized. A lot more iterations of data. Ooh, big number. Whew. It's either gonna get harder or easier from there, folks. Oh, dang. An hour and 38 minutes and... Wow, okay, I don't feel so bad anymore. No one else was having a good time either. Wow. Well, we're definitely gonna get the longer streams back, I guess, if it's gonna take that long for me to solve these part 2s. Phew. But hey, we got it. I'm supposed to optimize this code now. Yeah, Ryan, this it's either gonna get harder from here, or this is gonna be one of the standouts that people are like, this was awfully hard for day 15. But yeah, Death Knight, we got it working between the I should have done this optimization so much sooner, to be honest. I should have realized how slow this would be doing it so many times. Between that and my this pesky little equal sign, they're ruining all of my code. That was the issue. I kind of kept on. I mean, I looked. See anything else? Nah. Yeah. So I did see it based on that, but I kind of re-went for the visualizing around the diagram. It's like on the edges of it. So I think I might have, well, I didn't fully comprehend in this time exactly how you were describing it. But I'm pretty sure I did implement your way. Yeah, because I did basically end up like the diamonds, and I would check the perimeter, all these edges around the diamond. But what happened was for this side of every diamond, it was off by a 1. Hey, there you go. That's right. Community taught. And I only found out it was this way was bad when I built the visualization, which actually let's look at a visualization. I want to look at a visualization at this point. Put so much effort into okay, I gotta make a commit first. Wow. I have more comments than code. This is a museum piece. We'll look at all these comments. Day 15. Well, something's unsaved. Yeah, it's 10 lines of real code. Mm-hmm. And now for the great optimization, which I will do after a break. This is the first real advent of code where I've taken so long that we've actually made it to the break and then some. So, be back in 5 minutes as we optimize the. Basically, we just clean it up. It's not really optimization, it's clean this thing the heck up. And yeah, maybe we'll put one visualization in since it's so close. But yeah, folks, catch you on the other side. Wow. Feel free to come on back from the break, folks. Our break is coming to an end. And here we go. So, let's start cleaning this thing up. Where'd the music go? Where's my music? There it is. Okay, so first thing, we kind of already written it. Let's get on. Oh, I love this. Get on down to our parsing of data. Let's parse sensor info. So we have our lovely, well, not line, data. Thank you. And then we return basically this. Nice, which gets our x, y, and distance. Yeah, we're gonna keep it like these short names. They're not the worst in the universe. Yeah, let's see what part 1 can do. We love this. This doesn't do anything for us. So many, yeah, you're gonna see a lot of deletes in this one. I don't think we need that anymore. Yep, well, actually, I should probably be running this. Come on, cracker. Should probably be turning off part 2 as this tries to explode my computer. Oh yeah, great thing about Iffy is that you can just, oh that's right, since it's so fast, this works now. Amazing what fast code can do. This is a coincidence. So do we need the world? Can we just do the X's? I guess we never migrated to the X's, did we? Yeah, okay, that's fun, that's fun. Well, first let's start producing to this for const sx sy dist of parse sensor data. Let's see how much we can get rid of this. Guess we do need the beacons, but that is much more prettier. Okay, so scene X is pure, like they're not doing anything in this equation. Okay, let's turn off that part 2 Iffy. It is not the fastest yet. Let's turn on this thing. I don't remember how long this one takes, but I think it runs. Please run. Be cool. Be cool. Not looking that cool. Wow, we are not cool. Okay, so we'll just get it working, I suppose. Up, and I recalculate distance. That's not helping no one. Right, and then I say const y. There we go, and then we use the y accordingly. If the world already has it, then tootaloo. Otherwise, access it. So this is where I think I can use the x's. If scene x's has x, continue. Otherwise, say goodbye world. Scene x's add x. Does that still work? Still works. So that's definitely going to save a lot on the stringification there. And this is always guaranteed. So, cha-ching. Great, glad to see that working. And if this is just the length of scene x's dot size, ain't it? Nope, 27 not equal 26. Because we add one for the beacon, don't we? Right, because we need to do that. Okay, I think keeping an extra number around isn't going to destroy the world. Okay, this seems good. We've got to keep this here for the real tough one. But the world, say goodbye to the world. Loving that. Loving it. And loving it. Okay, now for this part. Yeah, this X traversal is good. Move the count up. That's what we actually care about. This can probably be flipped around. Greater than this. Yeah, so easier math there, or there, or there. Yeah, combine it into one. Flatten indentation. Or, I think which is easier, a set or a math? That's, I think, a pretty performant. I'm using 4 instances of Y. We can use... Do we have any other Y's? Y. I can make this a Y. There we go. Boop, 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 boop. Drop that. Okay, now this logic... I might not need all of it, to be honest. Some of it might be made redundant by this. We'll find out. Quick math. Okay, looks alright. Let's give it a go on the real one. This is tough because we can already tell some pieces grind to a halt. Oh, not that long, to be honest. But where'd my output go? Quacka, quacka. This is where you're supposed to give me output, quacka. Okay, I assume it's working. If it's greater than distance, not sure if that includes this math, but we're gonna find out. Did you not run? Okay, still thinking thoughts. Oh, now it showed up. What digits were in there? I think I saw a 4 at the end. Whoops, thanks, scroll wheel. That's not where I wanted to go. Wow, doing lots of thinking this one. There you go, 5112034 and Quacka. Great. Okay, so this math was handling it. Did that math handle it all? Like, was this math already doing the distance logic? Meaning, can I ditch this? No. Okay, so but the distance logic was already mathematically encompassing these two ops. So, toodaloo. You know what? Since it's so short, I think I'll flop it, or I'll flip it to a positive. Just to make it a tad more readable. It's only 2 lines. It's not worth the indentation preservation. So, if you haven't seen this one and you're less than or equal to the distance, go ahead and mark it. Beautiful, and this doesn't always get ran, but that's life. Okay, now this part 1 came together really well. Now it's time for the bad part 2. Da 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 da. Yeah, let's turn this iffy off just for our life. Okay, is out of range. That's actually a nice thing there. Oh, okay. So const sensor data, parse sensor data info. There we go. Do your logic. This could actually be made into, what is it? Inversion of a sum. But we ain't about to do that. Okay, all this code here. Okay, none of it's going to our solution. I mean, I do plan on visualizing this draw world, so let's actually leave that bound. And we can do it after. Just redraw it. I probably should go down here and de-async await this. Deep strict equal sensor 2 equal big number. Big number, then, or not then, rather. Cancel log. Sensor 2. Bingo bango. Now we got to de-asynchronize these. Zoomed right by it. There we go. Numbers not assignable. Yeah, wake up. Okay, yep, again, we're cleaning all this fun stuff up. Okay, yep, goodbye. And let's get this Iffy back on the road. Go for it, Quokka. Okay, as it does that, we'll... Oh, there it went. Look at that. 812, 812. Pretty, almost more performant than part 1, which does not make sense. Okay, let's think of our thoughts here. Okay, this 40,000, it's a constant, gotcha. Checking it if 1 is out of range, it's a cool function. Oh, I changed one thing, Quokka's like, uh-oh. So we have our X flip, our Y flip. Our X and our Y for distance. Then make sure you're in range. We can combine this all. So if you're in range and you're out of range of everything else, congratulations, you made it. You win the prize. X, I need that, I need that. I don't need DY, though I'm gonna keep it there for my eyeballs. Okay, and we can swap this is out of range to something a little easier. Tomorrow is Thursday, so no special plans. I mean, I'm jumping on with fellow 100 Ever to help them warm up for an interview, but aside from that, no, nothing too crazy. Eh. Let's see if we can cheat Copilot. Come on, 3. Hey, cool. Let me think. So it's gonna be 1 p.m. Eastern with that fellow 100 Ever. I mean, yeah, that's the thing about it, right? We gotta do all of these things in equal balance almost. Yeah, for sure. Generally, I mean, this one required maths, obviously, but for the most part, web development as a whole doesn't really require that many maths. Is it every? Yeah, it's an every. There we go. Yeah, tomorrow, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Just when I plan to be showing up in the Discord and stuff. I'll still be around there and the rest of the day, probably lurking, answering. Okay, I think this works. Yeah, look at that. We're functional. Ooh la la. My distance greater than dummy distance. Oh. Eh. Okay, we're not gonna squish it that much. There we go. There we go. That's readable. Is out. Let's make it renameable though. Is out of all sensor ranges. There we go. Now it's readable because we named it properly. Why are you angry? Never mind. And that is that working. Oh wait, something's not. Oh, I turned the Iffy off. Turn it back on. Flip the switch. Man, there you go, C-Films. Slowly but surely, right? Slowly but surely. Wait, what did we go from? 300 lines to 100. Nice. Optimization. Yeah. Got rid of all them comments. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. As for visualization, I mean, y'all kind of already got a preview of the visualization, didn't you not? It's triangles. I mean, it's diamonds. I mean, diamonds are just half triangles or double triangles. It's triangles everywhere you go. It would be, as I guess I can visualize this input. That'll be the easiest one for the brain. Numbers. I guess I'll have to use Blast or another library because my terminal was too small. Yeah, that's right. C-Films, they're working on it. But yeah, C-Films is not a designer. No one's a designer. No one's a magical unicorn. Well, Low Poly Princess makes some pretty good designs. Okay, let's go and check out what the rest of the people came up with. Because if I took an hour and I still made what was it? Wow, people are already doing visualizations. Crazy. Maybe not. It is late. Oh yeah, there you are. Yeah. Maybe not a designer per se, but you made the designs look good enough to qualify for one for sure. Math. I definitely wrote some code. That's how I feel. That is how I feel, person. Location significantly farm out. Think about which diagonal it lies on. A diamond of visibility. That's right. Ooh, cool. Yeah. I generally just yoink the templates, but picking out colors. Palette, interesting. Yeah, see films. I mean, that's. I mean, either you're. Most people just ain't got the eye for it. And I'm one of those people for sure. Oh, here's a crude drawing. I love a crude drawing. Yeah, look, it's a crude drawing. L1 distance, largest count. What the? Wow. Yeah, I understand like this here part. I don't understand the rest. It's a nice, pretty picture though. Oh, my new favorite solution. Less is one of four corners, one unit outside the direction of at least two other beacons. Oh. Check all pairs of beacons and intersections in radius plus one. Wow. My word. Yeah, Death Knight. Python again. Z3. What's Z3? Z3. What's Z3? Is this some hip new library? What's Z3? High performance theorem provider. What the hell? Observations. Okay, so you load all the things, you do a thing. A set union. Okay, wow. Python people. Z3 solver. What the? Oh wow, this is crazy library stuff. Wait, what Z3 do again? The function. Oh lord. So this is what gotta love Python. You know, the ecosystem of libraries they have is quite crazy. A theorem solver. What do you know? TypeScript, TypeScript. Hey, I'm not the only one with comments in my code. Oh, look, yeah, okay. So this was the way they did it too, and oh, wait, how did they do it this way? Oh, and once I put my numbers in the right order, it works. It was all about me. It was literally that sign, man. I'm beating my butt up on that one. The critical observation. What's that? Only has one unique answer if it's a single distance unit outside of the range of the sensors. Move the beacon 1 unit closer to the nearest sensor and it would still be out of range of all others. Only check ring positions 1. Okay, that's what I did. Yeah. Okay, Python, Rust. Let's look at some Rust. It's been a while since Tsunamateo on. Let's check out some Rust. Oh, that's a lot of lines. Okay, what did they do for part 2? Find unseen point. Max X, max Y. Okay, yeah, these are the I can understand this. Huh. Wow, okay, I don't understand. Love you, Rust. A JavaScript. Implementing a freaking quad tree. Yeah. Also for the RAM. The quad tree again? Great, we love our parsing. Create quad. Children XY with height. Sense state. Within touches. Interesting. Is quad tree a thing? I don't remember quad trees. Quad tree implementation. What is... Oh, does it just mean like binary tree with 4 children? You're not wrong, C Films. Subdividing data into quarters. Okay, wow, that's an algorithm I have never heard of. But yeah, folks, that was a tough one. Still, ironically, not going too fast, but it is going. We kind of already saw my preview for the visualization, what it's going to be. For this one, it's going to be, well, it's going to be both, like, and the actual visualization. So from every sensor, which is, I don't have it here. From every sensor, it'll kind of do a sweeping, I think I'll do a spiral out, to be honest. So, woo, 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 until we hit the beacon. Bam. B for beacon. We'll do that for all of them. And then what we'll do is we will have one of the lines, the vertical lines, or horizontal lines rather, be highlighted a different text color. So that'll be that. Then for part 2, I think what we can do is we can have kind of like, so again, the sensors and the diamonds. So we'll have the sensors and the diamonds drawn, and then, here we'll do it. We'll try every point, and for every point that point is, for sensor is touching, it'll highlight it in red. So like if there's another sensor, covering that point right there, then this one is bordered in red or such. And it'll do that as it traverses on, until it finds this spot. Of course, with my schedule though, we got quite a few that need visualizing, so we'll get there eventually. I know nothing about it, C Films. All I know is that Tsunamateo knows some stuff about it, and it looks neat. But it seems pretty cool. I mean, I'd rather learn more about it than C++ and C, which I kind of already know. Oh, here's my visualization. Okay, yeah, I do have some sitting around. Yeah, each of these will need to be a cool... Can I even do this in the terminal? I might need to upgrade to like actual DOM to visualize this as I actually want. Because of all the overlapping. Yeah, I think a DOM visualization like Canvas or something will be the place to go. I've dabbled a little, C Films. No one's really paying me to learn Go though, or write Go. But with that, I do say we will be getting off. Let's see, fellow Advent of Coder, or maybe 100 Dever, though I think the hour is too late for any fellow 100 Devers to be on. But we can check. Again, appreciate y'all hanging about, watching me struggle with triangles for sure. The triangle's almost, or the diamond's almost won. It's mostly tinkering and trying to actually get it working. Yeah, 2 a.m. The time does fly. Yeah, hello, Polly. It's like I watch videos like for a new concept, like Firebase or like a new technology to see how it works, but I don't learn it until I do it in a video. And yes, you are C Films. You are 100 Dever. Can't see anyone others on. Not seeing at the moment. Hello, future people. Yeah, hello, YouTube, right? That's what everyone says. Yeah, looks like da 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 da. Oh, we got Coding with Strangers on. They're always fun. And they are doing some code, probably. Again, unless there are any other suggestions, I'm gonna wait for this ad to play. In the meantime, we can see, because I saw some 15 visualizations already. Oh, the third. Let me go check them out, see films. Batch visualization. It's like, man, how do you visualize so freaking quick, people? Oh. Huh, that's very graphical of it. Oh, I think my clipboard was like, haha, you want to do things? How about not? Oh, another one. Another one. Hey, there it is. Yep. Oh, and there's the spot, huh? Yeah, okay, I guess this definitely gives me some ideas, for sure. Yeah, it definitely looks pretty. I'm looking forward to like all these latest ones been great visualizations. Looking forward to my schedule freeing up so I can jump back into this game, but this is what we get for now. We get hashtags. Now, I know in my visualizations each bullhorn is going to be like color to the thing so you can easily more distinguish it. We're waiting for the ad supply. But yeah, again, thank y'all for coming on by. I will see me tomorrow. But besides that, let's go ahead and raid C Films' suggestion. And I will catch you all tomorrow for day 16. Over halfway there, folks. Catch y'all later. Toodaloo.